Now for the eye. I've been looking forward to this. Sharp pencils, a must. As you ain't got a lot of room. Now I'm using 172, this greyish green, and it's a perfect colour for this. Now it's also, I've already put the white and the cream, which is 102, but it also needs some green. There's a shadow just here. I will be bringing that out in a little while. And I'm being slow with it because it's very important that I get it right. Obviously, but you might think that we haven't got a lot of room, so we've got to make it work for us. That's fine. Now this is over here. It's got to be darker. I'm going to use the grey for this. 233. And also we need to bring the shadow in. Now this shadow is also in the white of the eye. There. Make that just a little stronger, because we're going to go in with the dark colour in a minute. That looks good. Okay, now a little bit of yellow. Now I'd said sharp pencils, but you don't necessarily need it for this particular job because it's just a little add-on, really, like that. It's not necessarily going to be any detail involved. That's great. Now a little bit orange. Very, very pretty colour. Like this. And a little orange there. And that orange can be filtered into the grey. Right. And now we need to darken it. What I'm going to use is 181. Now this is going to look really strong against what I've done, but it's really important that we get that strength. And also in here, but we don't press hard with this. And as light as you possibly can, just a little bit of that 181 ring in the eye like that. Then we want 181 to darken that. Right, next colour. Now we've got to add just a little bit of tone to the white in the eye. A little touch of orange in there as well. Okay, now bring back the green. And then I think what I might try, let's try 169 in here. It's very dark, but it's got it's not all grey. And let's see if we can get away with it. I don't want to really bring any more colours into play. I think we've got enough. Now, having put that in, 169, you can also, which is what we've done down here, we can also darken it with 181. Be a little bit bolder this time. Lovely. I think I'm going to have to bring another colour in. I didn't want to, but I'm going to. I can't get this green enough. This is 168. Oh, that's it. I couldn't get it with the grey green. The grey green was fine, but you did need. Oh, no, that's lovely. And 113. Now this goes to enhance just a little bit of work in the eye, like that. I haven't used the colour shaper very much here, but I'm going to now, because what we want to do is just smooth everything in. Can't do really any more than, the green wouldn't be a bad idea to put that green up here either. Right. Now, right in the centre of the eye. You'll only be able to do this with the pointed colour shaper. If you tried it with anything else, you find it would be too thick. Now we've got to darken that a little bit more now, so let's bring in the 181 again. And then, very carefully, filter it into your blended colour. Let's have a look at that. That's not bad at all. A little bit of black. A little bit of black here wouldn't go amiss either. Lovely. Now, I just want to bring just a little bit of shading in that, on that edge, like that. And this is also going to be darker. We haven't put black on here yet, but we're going to. But now we can darken that a little more. Let's go all round, because that will look really great when I actually finish this off. When you put the black and the yellow together, it always looks stunning. Now I'm going to do the same idea you saw me do earlier. Risky, but will work, because what you do then, you go halfway between the dark colour I've just put on and the yellow. Again, you can only do it with the colour shaper, and that gives you that lovely effect. I don't think I want anything darker there, but because we've done what we've done, if we use a very sharp white, you see what you can do? Don't think I want it anymore. I might just, like I did with the beet, just fiddle about a little bit and put a little bit more green in. Because once you get this far, you can then experiment just a little more. Confidence to do it, you see. But to all intents and purposes, folks, that's it.